Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to avoid double transformations. Okay, so everybody at some point when they're doing character stuff, they're going to get into a double transformation problem, and I'm going to show you how it happens and why it happens and how to avoid it. So we have this character here. I've actually got him out of DAZ Studio. So I have here all of the bones, his skeletons. If I go shaded, X-ray joints, you can see all of his bones that he's made up of. And here we have the meshes. So I have the glasses. You can see the glasses aren't skinned. It's the only mesh in here that's not skinned. The rest of it, the character, the trousers, the jumper, the shoes, the hair and the vest, they're all actually skinned to the bones. Now it's always nice to clean up a character like this, because if you dropped him into a scene, what you don't want is everything in the root all over the place. It needs to be under one node. So the best thing to do, so what happens, you put it into one node. So if I Control G, select it all, Control G and create a group, and we'll call this Ben. That's the character's name. Okay, now this is where the problem starts. If I then select Ben and I go and move him, because I want to position him somewhere in the scene, when I move him, I'm getting a double transformation. You can see the skin's actually moving twice as far as the bones. So why is that happening? Well, when you skin a character, you're actually tying it to the bones. So when I move the bones, the skin moves with it, even though I'm not moving the skins in the scene there. Okay, so when I move everything, I am actually moving the bones, which in turn is moving the skins, and then I'm also moving the skins as well, which is actually making it move twice as far. So you don't want to be doing that. So that top node, to make sure it doesn't happen, you basically want to grab all of the attributes in there, right click, lock and hide selected. So now when you grab the top node, there's no way you can move him. Okay, so how do we make sure we can get him moving around the scene, because we might want to place him somewhere? So what we do is, if I go to surfaces, this is how I like to do it, and we go create nerd primitive circle. So we just dropped a circle in the scene. I'll scale that up, freeze it, and delete history, and I'll call that Ben Control. Okay, and middle mouse and drop it into the Ben root, so it's all still under the one node. Okay, and I will be using this curve as the manipulated object to move the bones. So what I'll do is, I've got the control selected, shift select the bones, and then if we go up to animation, constraints, parent constraints, and yep, it's okay, and just add. So now when I select the curve, I can position him in the scene where I want to. If you found this useful, please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.